word which make complete sense and it expresses a thought is called a sentence, right? एक sentence means क्या है? बहुत सारे words का एक group जो मिलके एक sense बनाता है या अपने thoughts जो है उसे express करते हैं, that is called a sentence. Okay, I have written something on the board. Can you read it? Huh? Yeah, I'm just going to read. Okay. A owl, fox, brown, dog, lazy, jumps quick. Does it make any sense? It's a group of a word, right? You can see here. It's a group of word. है ना? मैंने कहा कि group of word is called a sentence, right? Is called a sentence? No. Egg, owl, fox, brown, dog, lazy, jumps quick. Does it make any sense? Obviously not. It should give a proper sense or it should express our thoughts in the sentence. So that is called sentence, right? So let me rearrange this all words. Okay? Quick. Brown. Okay, first, then this is second, and this is third. A quick brown fox. Okay, a quick brown fox. Then fifth. Jumps. Okay, jumps. Then what will come next? Jumps over a lazy dog. Right? A quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. Okay? The same sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 words in this group. Right? In this one group, in this one sentence, there are 9 words out there, but it is not properly arranged. Okay? Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Here also you can see 9 words are there together. Right? But it is properly arranged. Grammatical wise, it is properly arranged and it expresses thought. Okay? It is giving complete sense. Okay? So this is called a sentence. Right? What is called a sentence? A group of words which make complete sense or expresses thought is called sentence. So let us start our sentence. Okay? This chapter with lots of activity. So let us start our sentence, new lesson. Okay? I have written on the board certain points. Okay? I'm going to read for you. We use sentences when we speak, read and write. When do we use sentences? हाँ, हम कब sentence को use करते हैं? With complete sense. Okay, हम with complete what is called our thoughts. Okay, when do we use? To read, write, okay, and to speak. When we speak something, when we express our ideas, our feelings, we use sentences with the help of words. With the help of words, we make sentences, proper sentences, and we express our thoughts, right? So we use, okay, sentences to speak, but when we make sentence, when we write sentences, it always begin with capital letter, right? It begin with capital letter. We should always write capital letter when we begin our sentence. Understood? Then, and it end with a full stop. You can see here I put a mark of full stop. बिंदु लगाते हैं जब हमारा sentence खत्म होता है. When our sentence gets over, we put full stop, right? जब हमारा feelings या when we express something in through the sentence, when it is finishing, how do we finish? By putting a full stop. Okay? Then question mark. Okay? Some sentence it's asked to someone, right? We put a question mark or an exclamatory, right? This is called an exclamation mark. Exclamation mark means what? Sudden feeling. Ow, ouch, wow. So this is called an sudden feeling. Okay? How we feel. Okay? That sudden feel, sudden action. That the sudden words when we see something, excitement. कुछ भी होता है तब हम excitement, wow, yes बोलते हैं ना, तब हम इस चिन्ह का, इस सिंबल का यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? So today, before we start the lesson, okay, we have to understand 4 types of sentences. Okay, so let us start each type of sentences. But before we start this all 4 kinds of sentences, we have to revise our 4 standard. What we have learned about the sentence. We have learned that about a sentence 2 things, right? That is subject and predicate. Okay, so I am going to explain you. So let's understand what is sentence, and it contains 2 parts, that is subject and predicate. I'll just draw you to explain what is sentence, and in the sentence 2 parts are there, subject and predicate, what it's called in the simple and easy way. Okay, I'm just going to draw here. Okay, suppose this is our sentence. Okay, got it? I'm going to put a line. Okay. So in the sentence, it contains 2 parts. One is subject, second one is predicate, right? In the easy way, how to remember subject. So this is our subject, and our second part is called predicate. Okay, so this you can draw in your notebook also, so you can remember easily, right? So our sentence contains 2 parts, one is subject and one is predicate. In the easy way how to remember, I am going to give another name, that is सब्जेक्ट को हम क्या बोलेंगे यहाँ पे, NAMING, naming part. Okay, subject is a naming part. Okay, and predicate is a telling part. Okay, subject is a naming part and predicate is a telling part. Okay, about what, about whom we are speaking, or about whom or about what we are talking, right? That is called subject. Okay, और बाकी के जो sentence रहते हैं, okay, which starts from verb, that is called predicate. Which tells something about the subject is called predicate. Okay, now I will explain you the example. Okay, so as I told you, it has 2 parts. Okay, it contains the sentence, it contains 2 parts. One is subject and one is predicate. The second one is predicate. So I have written here, subject को हम क्या कहेंगे, naming part, and predicate को क्या कहेंगे, telling part. In the sentence, subject जो होता है वो naming part होता है, noun होता है. Okay, बाकी के जो phrases होते हैं वो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में, सब्जेक्ट ने क्या एक्शन लिया है या एक्शन किया है उसके बारे में कहती है. That is why it is known as telling part, which tells something about the noun. Okay. So here I have written subject. Subject means naming part. It tells who or what. Okay. It tells कौन और क्या the sentence is about. कौन और या किसके बारे में ये सेंटेंस कहा गया है. ओके. और बाकी के जो शब्द होते हैं which starts from verb, that is called predicate, which tells something about the subject. As I have written here some examples, 3 examples are there. Okay. Luke played cricket. Luke played cricket. Okay. Luke played cricket. Here who or what about the subject is? The subject is all about Luke. Luke is the name of boy, right? So it tells something about Luke. Okay, it's something about Luke. So this is called, okay, this sentence, okay, this part is known as predicate. Why? Because it predicates something. It tells something about the noun. Who is our noun? Who is our subject here? Luke. So this is called our subject. Okay. Second example. The apple is red. About whom we are talking? About whom we are talking? We are talking about an apple. The apple. Okay. The apple is our subject. बाकी के जो words है इसमें which starts from verb, there are known as predicate. Okay. Rest thing, the first word. The rest of the part, this is called our subject. ये है जो अपना subject which is the naming part. This is known as a noun. Okay. So this naming part is called our subject, and rest which is talking or telling about the noun is called predicate. Understood? Noun जो है अपना यहाँ पर या noun phrase आएगा, noun के साथ noun phrase भी हो सकता है. So that is called subject, and which tells something. The rest of the words, the rest of the group of the words in the sentence which tells something about the noun is called predicate. Understood? So here the apple is our subject, right? Now come to the third example. The rain sounded like a lullaby. Okay, what is lullaby? हम लोरी गाते हैं ना, बच्चों को लोरी गा के सुनाते हैं. That is called lullaby. Okay, so the rain sounded like a lullaby. Okay, बारिश की जो बारिश बरस रही है वो कैसे, क्या मतलब किस तरह सुनाई दे रही है? छोटे बच्चों को लोरी सुना रही है ना, वैसी आवाजें वो कर रही है. So here our subject, our noun. What is the noun here? The rain. This is our subject. Okay. These are the rest of the word is called predicate. Okay. Understood? So this is known as subject and predicate. So telling part, predicate. What is predicate? It is a telling part which tells something about what the subject or whom or what does it. Okay. It tells about what someone or something is or does. In the subject, in the noun, by the noun, what or क्या बोलते कुछ भी उसके तरफ से एक्शन किया गया हो, that is called subject, that is called predicate. Okay, जो एक्शन यहाँ पे subject लेती है, बाकी के words जो बनता है, that is called our predicate. Understood? Again I am repeating. Predicate is a telling part. It tells what someone or something is or does. Understood? So sentence has or sentence contains two parts. It contains two parts. One is known as subject. One is known as predicate. Another example one I am going to show you. Okay, about the subject and predicate. So once again I am going to explain noun, subject and predicate. We have seen that short small sentences. Okay, this is the long sentence. Okay, it's a big sentence. सब इसमें से कुछ ऐसे नाउन और phrases होंगे जो सब्जेक्ट के तौर पे आएगा. Understood? Just like as I have underlined here, people from all nations, okay, go to see the Eiffel Tower. Okay, Eiffel Tower. People from all nations go to see the Eiffel Tower. Here, subject and predicate we have already segregated. This is known as, this is a two part of the subject or sentence. Okay, one side is subject and this side is predicate, right? But why this? Okay, because with people is a noun here. Okay, but with these are the phrase. This is called the phrase, noun phrase. Okay. So this is our subject. Okay, noun. Okay, and noun phrase. Okay, people from all nations. Okay, so people is the main noun and from all nations, this is the noun phrase. So this part is known as subject and rest of this part. Okay, rest of the part so we have seen the noun and noun phrase in the subject, okay, which talks about whom and what. Okay, that part is known as in the sentence as a subject. That is called noun or a noun phrase also it comes. Okay, now what is the predicate? Okay, predicate means what? All words in the predicate together called complete predicate. Okay, all words in the predicate together. Okay, all words in the predicate together is called the complete predicate, which talks or which tells something about the noun. Okay, which tells something about the noun. Okay, predicate को हमने क्या दूसरा नाम दिया है? That is telling part, right? Which talks about the subject. Okay, what subject does or what it did, it talks about the subject. Understood? So it begins with predicate always, it begins with wow. As you can see here, see, it begins with wow. Okay, so in the one sentence it contains two parts. One is subject, second is predicate. Subject is known as naming part, predicate is known as telling part. Subject, okay, it's a noun or a noun phrase it comes, okay, which says, okay, वो अपने खुद का एक noun है, subject है. Okay, telling part, predicate is telling something about the noun. So that is it combined together, all words combined together. Okay, that is called a sentence which gives the complete sense. Understood? Or it expresses thoughts. Now we will start the 4 types of sentences.